Among Us, a game of deception, deduction, and fixing the same wiring box over and over and over again. In short, this game quickly climbed to the top of the internet as so many people watch and play. I personally love this game, and I wanted to give back to the community by making these 3D printed versions of the characters. Here's how I did it. The first thing you have to do is design what you want to print. I used Fusion 360 and made all the parts and put them into an assembly to make sure they all fit together before I started printing. Next, I sent the files to the 3D printer. I wanted the model to be multicolored, so I scheduled the print to pause at a certain layer height to change the filament. This is what happened on the bone. As you can see, I changed it from red into white. Now that I have all the pieces, let's put it together. Alright, he's all together now. He's got the backpack and everything. So now all I have to do, oh no. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to support the channel, check us out over on mechanicalmax.com. We just got merch, like the hoodie I'm wearing, so it's a great way to help us continue to make more projects like these. So thank you so much for commenting in the last video, and if you guys want the files for yourselves, I'll put it on Thingiverse if enough people comment down below. So thanks again for watching, make sure to subscribe, leave a like and comment, and I will see you next time.